Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried cornbread right on top of your stove. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 large egg and 1 cup of buttermilk ready. Don't forget your cooking oil. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, combine your cornmeal, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them together well. In a separate bowl, lightly beat your large egg, then stir in the 1 cup of buttermilk. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can make your cornbread tough, so be gentle. It's time to fry. Place your heavy skillet on the stove and add about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil. Heat it over medium heat until shimmering, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop spoonfuls of your batter into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each piece for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Your delicious fried cornbread is ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, straight from the skillet. It's a fantastic accompaniment to so many meals, like a hearty bowl of chili, collard greens, or your favorite beans. You can also enjoy it simply with a little honey or a dollop of butter. Any leftover pieces can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.